Kodiak Keylite rechargeable keychain flashlight is a compact, everyday carry light designed to deliver high power while also being small enough to be taken along as an everyday essential. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Keylite along with a USB-C charging cable. Before using the Keylite for the first time, it's recommended to fully charge the unit to ensure maximum runtime and battery performance. Simply connect the included USB-C cable to the charging port. A blinking red light indicates that charging is in progress. It takes approximately 2 hours to fully recharge the flashlight. Built with everyday carry in mind, the Kodiak Keylite features a durable aluminum body that's both lightweight and compact enough to comfortably fit in your pocket, bag, or on your keychain. Weighing just under 1 ounce, the Keylite is impact-resistant up to 1 meter and features an integrated metal pocket clip, making it easy to secure to a pocket, backpack, hat brim, or other gear for quick access whenever you need it. Operating the Keylite is simple using its single push button. Repeated presses cycle through its 3 lighting modes, allowing you to choose the brightness that best fits your situation. There is also a power-saving feature where if one light mode is on for more than a few seconds, the next button press will always turn it off. High mode produces 200 lumens with a beam distance of 50 meters and a runtime of approximately 1 hour. Medium and low modes scale down accordingly, offering less lumens in exchange for longer runtimes, allowing you to maximize device performance.